Hi, welcome back to another Matthew Explores video. Today we're going to be off to Polegate, the town of Polegate, just outside of Eastbourne, and we're going to visit the Polegate Windmill. Before all that, if I can just ask you to like and share the videos, maybe subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed it, and that would be a great help to me. Okay, on with the video.
It's Windy Miller. Hello, Windy.
This windmill, 4 stories high, brick built in 1817, and it consists of a tower 4 stories with 4 sails at the top. Now the 4 sails are patent sails invented in 1807, and these type of sails were invented by William Cubitt, and his design allows for adjustments to be made for the sails without needing to stop the mill. So the mill was originally powered by wind until 1942, and then it was converted to be electrically driven. So the mill drove 2 pairs of overdrift millstones, and along with this was a third pair that was driven by an auxiliary motor. So to stop the windmill, a wooden brake wheel was installed, and the mill had a cast iron wind shaft. The mill was a corn mill, and the original miller from 1817 to 1857 was Joseph Seymour. A Polegate Mill is also called Overdene Mill, or sometimes Mocket's Mill. Now, following Joseph Seymour as the miller, the next miller was Matthias Mockett, and he was followed by a George Thomas. Then from 1918, Ephraim Overdene was the miller, followed by Albert Overdene until the mills closed in 1965. So I think we can presume Overdene Mill takes its name from the last 2 millers, but that is only a guess. So the corn mill was closed in 1965. By this time it was pretty derelict. However, it was purchased by Eastbourne and District Preservation Trust, and it was dutifully restored to its former glory. And on the 1st of July 1967, the mill reopened to quite a carnival atmosphere, as you can see in this old amateur footage. I will post the footage to my YouTube channel in full because it's quite a long piece. So after the mill reopened in 67, 7 years later, July 74, one of the new stocks broke, bringing the sail down with it, and a new stock and 2 new sails were fitted in 1976. In 2004-2005, Heritage Lottery money was obtained to repair the cap and the brickwork, and then in 2009, 2 new sails were fitted. So the mill currently has a small museum attached to it and is open to the public at certain days throughout the year. However, I believe the owners have decided not to open it in 2021 due to the uncertainty around COVID. But if you are in the area, it's easy to see from the road and it's a lovely little visit. It's extremely impressive and in really good condition when you're up close to it. So go take a look at it if you get a chance. Visit the museum when it reopens. Anyway, that's all from me now. Until another Matthew Explores video, please, as I say, like, subscribe, share, tell your friends. And if you could subscribe to my channel, be grateful. It is only a hobby. So anyway, till next time. Bye for now.